What's up, YouTube? We back at it, man. Checking in. I'm trying to get this street glide going today. But on the last two videos I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, man. A lot of new subscriber views. I really appreciate that, for real. Everybody come tapping in, checking in what I got going on. And my boy, for sure, for keep shouting me out. You know, he got a bigger platform than me, so that's even cooler. But let me flip the camera. But today's goal is to get rid of this bike. I have about 4 or 5 people interested. The problem was with me, I don't know if you checked out my videos, like I initially bought this bike to want and keep. Like, see that crack? That's the reason basically I'm selling it, because I have to get the frame fixed, which is cool, but I really wanted to get a newer 2009 frame with a bigger back tire. But since I already had the road glide that I just sold when I rode to San Diego that day, now I'm going to not completely, but I'm gonna put all the parts I have, like the bags. I got a container full of parts. I'm gonna put everything back on here, get it as complete as possible, power wash it today, throw it in the back of the truck, let everybody, all the buyers come see it. Whoever wants it is gonna leave with it. If none of the buyers come through and nobody wants it, then I'm gonna literally take it myself to the frame doctor, get that crack fixed. Once I get the crack fixed, I have to get the legs. The bent ones are right here. One of them are good, but that one is cracked at the bottom. So I'll get legs, have the bike a rolling chassis. Both wheels are right there. And we'll go from there, get everything painted, and call it a day. One thing I'm really missing is outer fairing, which I have right there with the fenders. So it's all about just coming together now. So that's what we about to do. Clean this thing up, get it sold, get ready for some new inventory, new space, and a new bike, so we can keep flipping and keep going. Can't hold on to nothing. Gotta get this thing going. And to be honest, for the price that I'm asking, it's not a lot. This is a super good deal. It only has 80,000 miles, and it starts and run. Like I said, I have all the parts. I'm going to put it together today, get it complete as possible. Back to this thing. No, I haven't rode this since the last time when it cut off. I had to get towed, but I disassembled some of the stuff, see if I can figure out the problem. Got the seat off, helmet. Move this seat out the way. So yeah, everything is still connected. Power still off. Everything is under here, connected. So we're gonna check the fuses again. The only thing I could think of is like a maxi fuse, just because I know that day when I was riding, I was messing with my music and adjusting some stuff, and I had it like maxed out super loud. So when I get some time, I'm gonna deal with that. But like right now, honestly, I'm trying to put this last. Like, I need to get the other bike going, because this is gonna take from me, the other one's gonna make me some money. So we're gonna focus on that today. Got a couple of parts off. Now you can get a clear vision of that crack. See, somebody hit that thing really hard. Get my dog over there working. But I'm about to get this thing up out of here. About to clean it though, put it back together, make it look good, make it look like something worth buying, I'll say. Put a little bit of faith and love in it. You can have it up and rolling yourself. So I'm on my way to my buddy's crib to go get a bike ramp. And look at this accident. Nice to do, went straight into the curb. It's crazy. Now we back at it, passing by. They got the tow truck coming to get that thing. Sheesh. People driving skills are out of this fucking world. But we headed back to the house just when they got the bike ramp. So we about to get this bike up out of here today, hopefully. This is the ramp right here that we about to use. This is a nice good height. I'm debating right now if I'm gonna have to take this toolbox out or not. So we about to figure that out. Really, I want to leave it. I'm not trying to keep moving it. And I don't want to put tools inside with that cream interior. So if I can get the bike to fit like here to with the tailgate down, I'll do that. Like, I don't know, we're about to figure it out. Diesel. So we got some progress. I got the legs back on here. Put the triple tree in the bars. So now I'm about to get my tools out my truck so I could just tighten up. A lot of this is like hella play. But once I do that, I'm going to tighten this up, put the inner fairing back on. I'm going to try to bolt my outer fairing I have over there. Once I'm going to put the gas tank on, back fender back on, put the wheels on. I got the cover for the transmission. Then pretty much we'll be complete. Give it a nice little foam bath. And we're getting this thing up out of here. Now we got the ramp we can put on the back of the truck. Put it on display, I'll say, to someone come and bring us some cash money. But yeah, a little bit of progress. I need it back complete how like when I first got it. But we coming though, little by little. Got my special worker with me. Huh, Ace? What? You working with Daddy? Yeah. Come on, let's go get this work in. What up? We got a new day. We about to try to continue to sell this Harley. Yesterday we only got so far putting the parts on and trying to find parts. A lot of stuff is missing. I must have just threw away. I forgot about. So trying to get that situated. So now we're about to go hit the dealer. Go get this front shaft. As soon as we get that, we can get the bike rolling. As soon as we get it rolling, we get it outside. As soon as we get it sold. So stay tuned. So we back at it. We just came back from the dealer. We just got this shaft. I just threw some grease on it from the triple tree. So we got this on there. I'm about to slide this on there. Drop that. You see how it's bent? It got very little space, but it's gonna roll. This side's not gonna hook. It's only gonna be this side. It's gonna just sit on the pole over there. Then we got the back wheel. We're about to put that on. Got the shaft for the belt, caliper. Gonna throw that on. Take this fender off. Just keep it a rolling chassis. I don't know. I want to really connect it for whoever gets it, just so I can show them when I connect the battery that it got 80,000 miles and stuff. But at the same time, I don't want it in the back of my truck with everything like just flying all over the place when I could just have it complete. I mean, just a rolling chassis like this with the wheels on it. But let's get this going. Stay tuned. We about to get all these parts together for this bike so we can have everything out of here. And then another thing too, we're about to bring the orange and blue bike back here. I'm about to take the motor and trans off real soon, so I'm about to replace this with that, and we'll try to get another bike in here real soon. But yeah, stay tuned for the day, man. So we finally got this back wheel on here. Got the front somewhat on there. I gotta lift it back up and tighten some things and make it roll. As you can see, the front is still kind of ripping right there, but this is how it's gonna look rolling out of this yard. Got everything off. The reason why I have everything off is because no matter who buys this bike, either way, the next step is literally to get a frame fixed and to take it there. The guy literally wants it like this with nothing on there. Even still, he wants the exhaust pipes off, like crash bar off, floorboard, everything off. He don't want nothing on the bike. So I'm really doing them a favor. But yeah, let's keep going. It's pretty much is a done deal. Got it rollable. I just rolled it back. So basically I can pull it back easy. Going forward, I gotta have someone pulling the wheel while I'm pushing it with the bars. But it's for sure possible to move. So now, just gotta get this thing up out of here. About to gather up all this stuff I don't need. All these parts. No, I don't need, but all the shit that go with this bike. So everything can just be together. So this thing should be out of here. I know I was thinking the same thing, the front and the back, but the back for sure is a new one. I'm gonna get this shit out. I swear I can wait. This shit's so whooped.
It's not even that bad.
Nah, it's only the front end. It's definitely worth to keep. This thing look what? This is how I got it though. Look, it just like this. Finally got it out. Street glide bars look ugly. That shit crazy. Let's see if we can get it up. About to dry this shit off. Hopefully sell it. Chrome look good. Front end sold up. It's crazy.
Just like CJ just posted the wheel.
That's crazy. I didn't even see that shit. Damn, this nigga Ray be thinking of some smart shit. This motherfucker on there. I'm like I got the whole tow machine right now, electric. Damn, that's a big ass chunk.
You see it? It's
Hell yeah.
corrosion. Wash it.
Oh.
Just like the battery, you gotta clean the battery terminals. That's why they made it with this over it, but
Yeah,
it's still
yeah.
good water. Still good water. No connection. That's the main powers, everything. This one running down to the starter. And this the one running through the whole.
Oh, everything.
Ignition.
This whole shit popping out of here.
That for sure was a lot that first time.
This is supposed to turn on though, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now you gotta go fuse for fuse. This
Man, this shit is a headache, man. I thought I checked all the fuses. I still couldn't tell what the hell it was.
that way when you turn it on.
Man, our neutral light don't work, so we gotta really be careful. But my nigga fixed it. Power. We got power. Ooh. It was all the fuse. Man, this nigga's out here fixing and doing everything. That's crazy. This nigga didn't fix the bike. You did too much great shit today, nigga. You gotta make a YouTube now. So today was a success. Got this bike all the way on here. Completely done. Got the bars coming tomorrow. So we're gonna clean this bike and go for a ride now that we got it back running. Stay tuned.